Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to guide you through the easy steps to transfer your 401k to Fidelity. Whether you're looking to consolidate your retirement savings for better management or simply seeking the investment options that Fidelity offers, this rollover process can be straightforward if done correctly. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Before initiating a rollover, ensure that you're eligible. This usually requires you to have left your previous employer or reached the age of 59-12. Contact your current 401k plan administrator to confirm your eligibility for a rollover. Step 2. Open a Fidelity account. If you don't already have a Fidelity account, you'll need to create one. Go to Fidelity's website and select Open an account. Choose Retirement Accounts, and then follow the prompts to set up your new retirement account. Step 3. Gather documentation. You'll need to collect all relevant documents from your current 401k provider. This typically includes your account balance, type of plan, and any specific instructions related to your rollover. Having this information at hand will make the process smoother. Step 4. Request the rollover. Contact your current 401k provider and formally request a rollover. They may have a specific form you need to fill out. Specify that you want to transfer your funds directly to Fidelity, as this is the easiest method and avoids potential tax implications. Step 5. Fill out Fidelity's rollover form. Visit Fidelity's website and navigate to the rollover section. Here you'll find the rollover IRA form. Complete this form with the details from your current 401k plan, including the amount you wish to transfer. Step 6. Submit the forms. Once you have completed the forms, submit them to both your current 401k provider and Fidelity. You can often do this online for speed or send in the completed forms via mail. Step 7. Monitor the transfer. After your paperwork has been submitted, keep an eye on the process. Transfers can take anywhere from a few days to several weeks. You can check the status on Fidelity's platform for updates. Step 8. Invest your funds. Once the funds have arrived in your Fidelity account, take the time to review your investment options. Fidelity offers a wide range of investment choices, including mutual funds, ETFs, and stocks. Make your selections based on your retirement goals and risk tolerance. Step 9. Review your account regularly. After the rollover is complete and your funds are invested, it's important to review your account regularly. Adjust your investments as necessary to ensure you're on track to meet your retirement goals. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips on managing your retirement savings. Thank you for watching and happy investing.